Good afternoon. This is day 18 of the 30-day content challenge. And I am Bill Feaver, and I want to tell you that today I'm going to try and share something I learned yesterday about the MeWe, YouTube, and blog syndication group. This group basically helps you to help others to enhance their, in the search engines, your YouTube and your blog posts. And so I'm going to share with you some of the steps in how to go about doing this. So I'm going to share my screen, and we're going to go to here. Okay, basically, there's some, oops, a whole bunch of stuff pops up here. Gotta clear it. What you need to do is you go into this group and you can join. It's open to people to join, and there's some rules. And what you have to do is you go in, if you're going to look at YouTube posts, you have to look at 3 posts. And then on those posts, you have to look at it entirely, all the way through. And then you have to give it a thumbs up. And then you have to write a comment. So you have to do that for three people. After that, then after you've done that, then you can go in and you make a comment to the 3 people that you observed. And then you have to you list their names, and then you can post your video. So you look at 3 and you post 1. And so you look at those. And so when you go in to look at a comment or a video, after the comment, you give it a W, meaning you watched it. You put L for that you gave it liked, a thumbs up, and a C for a comment. And so you put a W, L, C. And then, so they know that you helped syndicate their video in your comment. And so that's what you do. You do it for 3 people. You do it, you got to watch it completely through again. You've got to like it. You've got to comment on it. And then after you do that for 3, then you list those people and then submit your video to go through the same process. And as for the blog, you go into a blog, you look at the content, you write a comment, and you do that for 3 people. And then you can put your blog post in to be evaluated too, or to be enhanced. So that's basically how you go about it. It's pretty easy to do. I would say that you can try and do a couple of these a week, or if some people could do it probably every day. And to me, it seems like pretty easy thing to do, pretty fun thing to do, and it's helping enhance your business. So that's my post for today. I want to wish you all well. If you can like my post on YouTube and follow me, and also look down below. There's on my thing, there's a free gift if you would like to do that. Thank you so much. Have a great day.